You're really taking this down to one game.
Hi, Rory.
Oh, yeah.
Bring my book.
I'm not going to bring this down. Everyone's
I'm not going to say my book.
right. Okay. I'm dealer, so...
Women who kill.
The first, the opening line of it was,
Do you want some corn, lads? This is cornfield.
death.
What's your book about?
It's about loads of different women who kill people.
Frank.
Yo, bitch! What's cracky?
Still a weird boy. And then the gaze with your poker. Wookie on his whacking head.
No one ever put it in.
Oh, it's got the Wilson sign. Look.
So 2700.
No,
Oh, okay.
Well, then turn your head. Turn your head.
One's very good.
Other way.
It's the Wilson.
Show my one, you fucking kill.
Oh, wait.
Whacking. Rory 2. 2.
What are the others have the What are the others have the exact?
I'm not even going to name your name because you're a cock monkey. You fish fingering bag whore after one. Yeah, I remember this.